Why we spend a king's ransom on fireworks every Guy Fawkes Day. 1605 goes back to this guy, see what I did there? Guy Fawkes, him in the fancy hat. He got together with a group of his mates, they all wore fancy hats, and they wanted to kill this guy who did not have a fancy hat, King James I. I don't think they got away with it because Guy Fawkes was caught guarding the kegs of gunpowder and dragged away. Bonfires were lit all over the streets of London to celebrate his failure plot, and he and his friends were executed in a very gruesome manner. Don't Google it. Hey everybody, kia ora. Today is Guy Fawkes, 5th of November, Guy Fawkes Day. Not a huge tradition for me really, because I still don't understand if we're celebrating Guy Fawkes' attempt to blow up the Houses of Parliament sometime in the 1600s over in Britain, or if we're celebrating that he got caught and executed in a very gruesome way. He died in such a horrible, horrible manner. I just don't want to tell you about it. Just the thought of it. I've never really been into fireworks. I'm a bit scared. When I was a kid, fireworks were more readily available, and children were allowed to buy them, for goodness sake. And then the next day after Guy Fawkes, all the boys, all the naughty boys, they'd go around the streets looking for the used up Tommy Tommy cracker. But they used to go looking for the crackers, and then you'd split them in half, and then you'd get a match, because of course naughty boys carried matches on them all the time, and then they'd have fizzers and they'd fizz them and they go tss, and that was pretty cool. I did quite like that. Yes, I did hang out with the naughty boys. Tonight we are going to our friends at church. They have a big thing every Guy Fawkes where they have this beautiful property and a big backyard and a very clear view. You can see Auckland City. It's wonderful. And they have a bonfire and everybody brings their fireworks, and we're gonna hang out there and have a dessert evening. So I've been making oh, don't look at my fridge, it's disgusting. Don't look there. I've been making that's Melrose cream pudding, which doesn't seem to be setting, and I've made some ambrosia, which is rather yummy. So that's what we're going to be up to tonight, and hopefully you guys can come along. Alright, that's what we're going to set fire to. Oh my goodness.
Is that a video? Don't watch Aiden.
We're watching in a darkened room because our kitties are scared. If you look really carefully, you can see fireworks going out across the city. Please don't lean on the glass.
Wow.
Isn't that just the coolest thing? There's still some food left. Pavlova. Would you like some kite? Do you want a bowl? Do you want a bowl, buddy? Don't put your fingers in it. No, stop. Oh, is it pecan pie? I wish. In those times, I wish. However, cheese. Fancy nice. I do like cheese. Open the door. Charlie, they're all scared and they're all hiding inside. All the babies are scared. There's my friend Esther again. Hi Esther.
Hello.
Did it go out? I'm always scared when they look like they go out. It sounded like a papiro, did it? Well, it gets higher each time.
New Year's.
Oh, that's where the stash is. Oh, that brings out the caveman instinct in these guys, doesn't it? Playing with fire.
Yeah.
Oh, that got impressive there. That got It's thinking about it. One? You're not sure?
No.
Wait, Logan.
Seven. Oh, do you want to hold? Whoa, it's nearly.
Swing it around.
I like all of it.
You like all of them now. You're not scared now.
I'm not scared now.
You're not scared.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Wow! This is good.
Not in the water. No. Let it go first. No. Oh my. Not yet. Wait for it to go out. Look, spin it around. Make shapes. Show. Yeah. We're going to head off. And catch up with you soon. Remember to like and subscribe because I like having you around. Thanks for popping in. Bye.